Again, let's look at how to do color in Altair. And so we're going to see that this actually falls back to the underlying libraries. But just to start, here's an example where we're using a color scheme in Altair. And if we dive into this, right, we can look and see the scheme that's used. So used alt.color, right, which is the wrapper for the color encoding. And here the scale is given it a scheme of category 20b. So if we want to go see what those values are, we'll have to dig in underneath. To start, if we want to look at alt.color, right, we can go into the docs and search alt.color. We'll end up here. We can see that these are all the options. So here, right, we did define a scale, and that gave us the color scheme. These are most of the options that you're familiar with on the X and Y encodings. So nothing really, no really gotchas here. Pretty straightforward for using the encodings, just like you have with the other encoding types in Altair. And ultimately, the color schemes that we have options to we have available are the ones that are in Vega. So if you if you're going through the Vega Lite track, you've seen these. But let's look here for Altair. We have 5 different types, right? First is the categorical. The type, of course, is going to depend on what type of data you're using and what the visual tasks are. So here are categorical ones. Here's category 20b. This is what we're using on that stream graph that we just saw. And we have a lot of different ones here. They're based on Tableau's colors and also Color Brewer. Some of these were developed in Matplotlib. So like we'll find the Viridis here, which is a good default for the multi-hue, right? Of course, we probably want to avoid the jet, and I don't actually know if they even have it in here. Let's see if we can find the jet. No, I don't even think they include it. Oh, yeah, here it is. Sine bow. Right. So they put them at the bottom, not well suited. But all these are available, right? So really every color type you could want, right? Diverging, between 2 colors, multi-hue, sequential, right? These are going to map to all the different types of data and visual tasks that we have. So there's as many color options here as you could want, and you could also specify your own. So if we look at the category 20, these in D3. Under the hood are just lists of color strings, right? So we could supply our own too in place of any of these default colors. Thanks.